Hello. In this video, I'm going to continue to talk about the step logic. All right. In the previous video, I show you the solution for the electrical control relay, but in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the conversion from electrical relay circuit into PLC. All right. So first, as you can see here, I still have the maintain push button connect in there, so that you to see what the result supposed to be. All right. So that's just still a old style electrical control circuit, but differently on the first part, you can see we don't have relays, we don't have a lot of wire coming over here. Very simple, right? So that's the other purpose of this video. I want to demonstrate the advantage of PLC, right? So with PLC control, we don't need so many relays, and also the wiring become very simple. Right now, I'm showing you over here. There's just two wire, all right, come out from the electrical device. One from the button, right? Instead of directly connect to the pilot light, we use this cable connect into PLC as input, and then from PLC we connect the output to the pilot light, right? So in this way, we don't need relay, we don't need so many different sets of contact from the push button, so we can program the instructions instead of all those physical devices. All right, once we get it over here, let me talk about a little bit more. Okay, let me a little bit more. Yeah, okay. All right. So even though the screen is not very clear, in the next video, I'm going to demonstrate the details of program design. All right, but for here, I just want you to have an impression, the comparison between electrical. So on the left-hand side, as you can see here, I still have the electrical circuit from the last video, right? So that's the big circuit, the lots of wires connect down there, four different relays, and also we use at least two sets. Right? Actually, last one I wired them four different sets, but at least you need two sets, right? Because one is normally open, the other one is normally closed, right? That's why you see so many wires coming around here, right? But with the PLC solution, you can see here we only need one set, right? This is the push button output, then as input of PLC, connect to the PLC, and then from the PLC output, we have this wire going to the pilot light. Right? So all the connections, logic, everything involved in here, we convert into PLC program. So that's why it becomes so simple with PLC, right? So again, if you look at the ladder logic and the PLC, don't worry if you don't see that very clearly. In the next video, you can see every single instructions. But for here, I just want you to have a first impression, right? So I still use the same name, but they are just Boolean tags into PLC. So this is not an introduction for PLC. All right, if you don't have the background, you have to maybe study from a different video to get ready on the PLC. All right, so again, those are the three Boolean tags. I still use the same name, CR1, CR2, CR2, CR4, right? And then you can see here, this is the push button, and that is the alias tag, right? So I only have one set of the push button connect into the PLC. I just use different instructions, right? So I can use as many as I want, right? So that's not limitation, right? So for the PLC, as you can see, even all the connections, right? So we don't have to have the physical connection. They are being designed, being connected into PLC ladder diagram. So that's why the program become we call soft wiring, right? It is sort of a control wiring, but it's not physical. It's a soft wiring, Right. Okay. Let me just continue to play the video so you can see the result. Right. So now when I press, you see here this CR1 similar to that when I release. Right. Maybe I missed that on here. Right. Remember we have before on the previous video I demonstrate the CR1 to 4 they energize in at a different time, different steps. Same thing happening here on the screen. Right, the first time maybe I didn't let you to get a chance to look at that. So when I first press the button, the CR1 will be, you see the green highlight, that's the energize. Right, so I'm gonna play that. So it released, and then I hope you can follow that. Alright, so let me finish the video, then we can play again. Alright, so you can see the result. I trust you can find out by yourself, or you can repeat the play this part of video. Right, so I'm not going to interrupt. I'm just going to play that again, then we finish this this video. That's limited. Yeah. Okay, this is the end of this video.